Does money grow on laundry lines? Why PayPal and Tide might not be a perfect match. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a question that might seem a bit strange at first. Does PayPal accept Tide? Now, hold on a sec. Before you click away thinking this is some kind of bizarre financial conspiracy theory, hear me out. This question actually taps into something interesting, the intersection of online payments and everyday purchases. We all know PayPal, the online payment giant that lets you send and receive money with ease. And Tide, well, Tide is pretty much synonymous with laundry detergent. But can you actually use PayPal to buy Tide? The answer, like most things in life, isn't a simple yes or no. It depends on where you're trying to buy that bottle of Tide. Let's break it down. There are two main ways you might be thinking about buying Tide. Online retailers, here, PayPal shines. Many major online retailers like Amazon, Walmart, or Target allow you to check out using PayPal as your payment method. So, if you find Tide on their website, you can absolutely use PayPal to pay for it. Brick-and-mortar stores, this is where things get a little trickier. Traditional stores typically don't have built-in PayPal integrations at the checkout counter. So, you can't just whip out your phone and scan a QR code to pay with PayPal at your local grocery store. But wait, there's a twist. Some stores might offer alternative payment options like in-store wallets or apps that connect to your PayPal account. So, it's always worth checking with the store itself to see if they have a way for you to use PayPal indirectly. Now, here's the thing to remember, even if PayPal isn't an option at the store, there are still plenty of ways to pay for your Tide. You can use your debit card, credit card, or even cash. Remember that old school stuff. So, while PayPal might not be a universal solution for buying Tide, it definitely has its place in the online shopping world. But here's the bigger question, is using PayPal for Tide the best option for you? Here are some things to consider. Convenience. If you're already logged into PayPal and have your account linked to your phone, it can be a super speedy way to check out online. Security. PayPal offers some buyer protection benefits, which can give you peace of mind when shopping online. Rewards. Some credit cards offer cashback or points for using them at specific stores. So, depending on your card and your shopping habits, you might be better off using your credit card to snag some rewards while you clean your clothes. Ultimately, the best way to pay for Tide depends on your individual preferences and shopping scenario. Bonus tip, if you're a die-hard Tide fan and do most of your shopping online, consider signing up for subscriptions or refill services offered by retailers or Tide itself. This can save you time and money in the long run. So, there you have it. The mystery of PayPal and Tide is solved. Remember, while PayPal might not be your go-to for every Tide purchase, it's a valuable tool to have in your online shopping arsenal. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy shopping, and keep those clothes sparkling clean.